Doberman or golden retriever, but we all have that one coworker. All of the boss around like this. Oh no, there.
Now you got the white one coming to you, buddy, and not running from you. But now you're not gonna hurt him. That little black one, he don't care.
He likes people?
Look at he trying to drag him away from Parker by his leg.
They're just fighting.
Yeah.
They're just playing. They're not fighting. Come here.
Can we go home with y'all? We play well together.
Yeah, we play well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I sure hate to leave them, but I don't have a choice. They belong to somebody around here.
Yeah. I think this
Move
belongs-
yourself.
Y'all haven't seen a full-grown golden retriever?
No, sir, but we found these two. They found us.
We found these two puppies.
Y'all see a golden retriever? I live like right through the woods there in the green brick house on Laurel.
Hey, are these your puppies?
No, baby, those ain't mine. Mine's about 100 pounds. She's got a
We're keeping them
Parker.
until we found
Parker.
their owners.
Quit talking to those people. She's got a collar with elephants on it. She's got a rabies tag and all on it.
What's her name?
She will not bite. All right.
What's her name?
Noel.
Noel.
Keep an eye out for her. Thank y'all.
Man, I was hoping that was their owner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too bad, ain't it?
Yeah.